So today it's all about herbal tea, and I'm using dried, dehydrated neem and lemongrass. So those are the main herbs that I'm using for this particular herbal tea. So before I proceed, the first thing I want to do with my herbs is to pick them and be sure that the herb is thoroughly clean from any impurities when it comes to other particles that we come with the dehydrated herb. So that is the neem leaf. And what I would do next is to try and pick it. I pick the ones that I want to use and place them into my sieve, where I will be using running water to wash them clean. So that is me picking the herbs right now and taking up the sieve that I will put the herb that I've picked. So I'll put the herbs inside of it, the quantity that I want, the actual quantity that I want to use, because it's just for 1 serving. Remember, this is just for 1 serving, so it's not going to be much. So now it's time for me to take some quantity of lemongrass. Like I said, they are all dehydrated. So I'll take some quantity of the lemongrass for 1 serve. And I will also pick them, pick any impurity that might have come with it. So that is it. It has been properly picked and is in the sieve. And it's time for me to put in a running water to wash them from any dust, any death. So you must do this when you are using a dry herb. So I just wash them under running water. So I wash them properly and make sure that they are clean from every dust and anything that might have come with it. So that is it. It's washed clean now. So the next step to go is to take my teacup or mug cup. If you don't have a teacup, you can actually use a mug cup and put in the washed, cleaned herbs inside the cup. Make sure you allow them to sit inside the cup properly. And after that is done, like so, I usually like to add a fresh, at least one fresh herb when I'm using dehydrated herb. And today, the herb I choose to use, which is soothing for the stomach, is basil. And this is fresh basil leaf. So I'm going to also wash it under running water. Make sure that it is thoroughly washed clean. So after washing it under running water, like so, I will then add it to the tea cup. Yes, I'll add it to the teacup. And now my herbs are thoroughly clean and ready for me to now add my boiled water inside it, because I'm not doing a decoction. I am doing steeping method for this herbal tea. So my water is ready. I will just turn the water into the cup and make sure that the boiling water totally submerges the herbs in the cup, and that will be enough for it to simmer. So I'm going to simmer it for 7 to 10 minutes, and you get a lid and cover it. Make sure it is properly covered, and that is it. So after 7 to 10 minutes, it's ready. You can see it smells so nice. That is the truth. It smells so nice, and it is ready to be sieved again now, so that you can remove all the herbs from the tea. You want your tea to be free from any herb particles. So that is it. Turn into the sieve. When you turn into the sieve, you can rinse whatever particles of herb that is left in the cup, and then you can now strain the already sieved herbal tea. You can see how the color is nice and it smells very well. So my herbal tea is ready. It's ready to be consumed. Like I said, this particular herbal tea is for your stomach. So get ready. If you are there, it is time to sip from the herbal tea cup. Wow, that tastes so nice. It tastes so nice. So that is it. I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to enjoy this. My stomach will be very glad to have this morning before breakfast. So I expect you to do yours and also